Looking to design a SaaS web app dashboard? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through wireframing a dashboard for a SaaS web app using MockFlow's Web App UI Kit. We begin by establishing the layout, one of the most important steps in any dashboard design. Start by dragging and dropping a rectangle that will serve as the main frame of the dashboard. This sets the base structure, and from here, users will be able to access key areas easily. To support smooth navigation, add the ready-to-use sidebar component from the UI kit. This will display essential navigation links to guide users through the dashboard. Now that we have the foundation, it's important to define section boundaries for better clarity. MockFlow makes it easy to customize components, so we'll add a divider line to visually separate the sidebar from the main content area, improving overall readability. With the structure in place, the next focus is the top bar, a key element for brand identity and user actions. Add the dashboard title, then include functional icons, a search icon for filtering content, a notification icon to keep users informed, and a CTA button labeled Create New to allow users to quickly start a new project. A personalized experience boosts engagement, so let's add a welcome message like Welcome, username, followed by a short prompt such as Check our latest update. Right below this, we'll showcase a task overview. Use the overview data card to display tasks, insert progress bars to show status, add task creation dates, and use the avatar group from the text and avatars section to show who's collaborating on each task. Efficiency is vital in UI design, so we'll reuse the card structure we created for the first task. MockFlow's reusable components make it simple to replicate and customize cards for additional tasks, saving time while keeping the design consistent. Now, let's enhance usability by adding filter tabs such as All Tasks, Completed, and Pending. These tabs help users quickly locate specific task types. Beneath them, drag and drop a rectangle to serve as the filter tabs for tasks, essential for narrowing down content quickly. To improve input clarity, we'll add a bookmark icon and a task input field with placeholder text like Type to add a new task. Then, create another task row by reusing the previous one, adding the task name and assigning an avatar to show who's responsible. Continue enhancing task visibility by ensuring each task card contains the task name, a progress bar, goal completion indicators, and the assigned team member's avatar, helping users quickly assess project status. Collaboration is key, so we'll now build a contacts section to display all users associated with the project. Reuse the task card layout, but tailor it for contacts. Start with a rectangle, then add the contact's avatar, name, email address, and a More Options icon using MockFlow's icon library. For consistency and time saving, keep reusing rows from earlier sections and adjust the details like team member names or roles. Uniformity across repeated UI elements makes the dashboard more consistent and user-friendly. With the layout complete, we can now fine-tune the design. Customization adds polish, adjust styles like colors, fonts, and spacing directly from the sidebar to align the dashboard. And there you have it. A visually organized dashboard for a SaaS web app, wireframed effortlessly using MockFlow. Like, subscribe, and keep building with MockFlow. Stay tuned for more wireframing tutorials.